Here we go. We got a box of 2021 Bowman hobby box here. Throw it back a little bit. Honestly, didn't even look up who the top prospects were going for. Right. If anyone knows, let me know. But 2021 Bowman. We got one autograph, 10 cards per pack, usually like 20 packs or something. Get all these packs out of here. Empty box. What's up, Steven? Hey, there you go. Yep, I am as well. So, what? Is it the 19th?
Yep.
Yeah. Still 10 more days. Oh, I have it. That's awesome. That is awesome. Alright, Debbie Garcia, Cronenworth, Luis Campusano, Acuna. Oh! Look at that. Look at there's an auto. Marco Luciano, numbered 50. That's a pretty nice start there. Luciano is in the majors still, I believe, right? Is he still in the majors? Anyone know? Confirmation.
He is.
Still playing? Alright, good. There we go. Zach Veen, Asa Lacey, Dahlquist, Pete Crow Armstrong, and Micah Bell. Abel, number to 250. What a first pack here. Blue, purple, number to 250, first. Mick Abel? Abel? I don't know exactly how you... Who had the Giants? NL West, right? Coulter? In here. Oh, there he is. Coulter, welcome in. First pack, we had an auto. Marco Luciano, number to 50. Congrats. Great start. All right, Shane Bieber, Christian Yelich, Sean Murphy, Kyle Lewis, Josh Young for the Rangers, top 100. Number 55, Ryan Belade, Cavaco, Tyler Soderstrom, Tyler Freeman. Oh, Nick just caught the last out, I think, in that game, didn't he? Chatham, and seeded Chatham. Alright. Max Scherzer, Chris Bryant, Santander, Bobby Dahlbeck, rookie, CJ Abrams, futurist. Ooh, we got a shimmer coming up here. Alexander Ramirez, and another Alexander Ramirez for the Angels. AL West. Paul, he's not in here. Numbered to 125. Nice one there. Perdomo, Blazovic, and Matthew Thompson. Alright. Pretty nice start here. Get some nice numbered cards. 2-3 packs in. Put that up over there. I don't think I opened any 2021 Bowman. So this is the first. Anderson Tejada, Joey Bart, Nate Pearson, Xander Bogaerts, Paul Goldschmidt, Cody House, and Louis Perguero, Loiver? I don't even know how to say his name. Perguero, number to 499, refractor. Edward Cabrera, Jose Salas, and Torkelson. Either there's just a ton of numbered cards in these, or I've just picked all the numbered card packs. Either way, we'll take it. Next up, Josh Bell, Mookie Betts, Alex Bregman, Jose Abreu, Bobby Witt. This is the throwback 91 Bowman design. Bobby Witt Jr. Vidal Brujan, Jordan Groshans, Feliciano, Anthony Volpe, and Cody House. Top load up the Bobby Witt 91 Bowman. Pretty cool card. Tatis, Anthony Rendon, Ryan Mountcastle rookie, Christian Javier, Garrett Mitchell futurist, Adley Rushman, Jonathan India, Corbin Carroll, Freddie Zamora, and Vidal Brujan. A lot of nice prospects in 2021 in here that are in the majors now that we know of. Christian Pache, Keeper Ruiz, Luis Patino, Mike Trout, Alec Baum, Ricky, 91 Bowman design. He is an all-star, I believe, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe. Royce Lewis, Edincino, and Nincio, I don't know, Reyes. I'm just butchering these names. Blake Walston, D.L. Hall, and Andrew Vaughn. It's my favorite. Bowman's, yeah, Austin, there you go. He is an all-star. Bowman is my favorite because I just butcher the names. It's so much fun. It's kind of nice as you go along here. Some of these guys like Baum that, maybe weren't super high kind of coming out of the rookie class here, but turn into all-stars, so can kind of go back and open these and search for those players. So Braylon Marquez, Shohei Ohtani, Charlie Blackmon, Brian Anderson, Corbin Carroll, number 95 on the top 100. I think he shot up that list pretty quick. Bobby Miller, Logan Davison, Xavier Edwards, Hunter Bishop, and Adley. Austin, we've first pack we pulled the auto, and it's this Marco Luciano number to 50. So we got 4 numbered cards so far. Ran into a couple inserts. Let me grab another box of top loaders real quick before we get into the next pack. So far, pretty good stuff. Luis Castillo, Cody Bellinger, Josh Donaldson, and Nola. We got a triple talent pipeline for the Twins. Wander, Javier, Royce Lewis, Nick Gordon. Pretty cool. Edward Cabrera, Feliciano, Nova, Nick York, and Diaz. Next up, Joey Gallo, Vlad Jr., Luis Robert, Freddie Freeman, O'Neal Cruz, number 66 in the top 100. Corbin Carroll, Matthew Libator, Drew Waters, Peraza, and Julio. Julio is a prospect. Oops. There we go. Put that one up there. Next pack. Nick Madrigal, Garrett Crochet, Jose Altuve, Pete Alonso, and a Wander, Positional Promise. There we go. Got a nice Wander. Mick Abel first. Ed Howard, Mania, Jackson Rutledge, and Trevor Larnach. The right to rip Wander. I don't know, it's a chrome card. That might be hard to rip. I just, as I was coming down here, got the notification that he got charged today or whatever. Bryce Harper, Yachty, Lindor, JD, Austin Hayes, bunch of vets there. Robert Paulson, Taylor Trammell, Bryce Jarvis, Justin Foscue, and Jonathan India. Yeah, not great for Wander. Manny Machado, Luis Garcia, Sixto Sanchez, Jordan, and Brandon Marsh, number 81. Riley Green, prospect, and Eddie Diaz, chrome. Asa Lacy, Nick Lodolo, and Jeter Downs. Jacob deGrom, Clevenger, Matt Chapman, Javier Baez, Robert Hassel, futurist, Jose Tena, first, Jason Dominguez, Nick Maton, Ivan Johnson, first, and Jeremy Pena. I figured usually like insert autos are pretty rare, and that's. As an insert auto, so what is it? 1 in 2,000 packs? Or 2,000 packs or hobby boxes? That's packs, right? 2016, yeah. That's pretty good. Evan White, Tavares, Jazz Chisholm, Casey Mize, bunch of nice rookies there. Alec Baum, Rookie of the Year favorites, rookie. Shane Baz, Jared Kelnick, C.J. Abrams, Bobby Miller, Robert Paulson. And for it to be someone that's decent is another thing. So it could have been anybody. Get that out of. So. Whit Merrifield, Joe Adell, Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie, Spencer Howard. Evan White, Rookie of the Year favorites. Nick Lofton, Choi, first, chrome. Ryan Vilade, Jared Kelnick, and Jan Duran. Next up here, we're hitting a dry spell of numbered cards. We hit 4 of them in the first couple packs, and we're on a dry spell here. Marte, Votto, Hira, Posey. Triple player card here. Casas, Duran, and Chatham. Talent pipeline for the Red Sox. Miguel Amaya and Forrest Whitley. Alexander Ramirez, Mackenzie Gore, Clayton Beater. Yeah, usually AL East is pretty good. Garrett Cole, Austin Meadows, Bubich, Tyler Stevenson, Andres Jimenez, rookie, number 89, top 100. Torkelson, James Beard, Royce Lewis, Isaiah Green, and Aaron Sabato. Alright, Tanner Houck, Sam Huff, Dalton Varsho, Birdie Singer, Alec Baum, Bryce Jarvis, and Maximo Acosta, first. Josh Young, Espino, and Eddie Diaz. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this kind of cheap break. Nice 6-spot division break, only $15. To rip a hobby of a couple of years ago. Nolan Arenado, Juan Soto, Aaron Judge, Yastrzemski, Joe Adell, Rookie of the Year favorites, Robert Hassel, Pete Crow Armstrong, base Chromes, Jordan Westberg, Garrett Mitchell, and Choi. Figure we just need to get one going here and rip a box. Bobichette, Trevor Bauer, Jorge Soler, Jesus Sanchez, Corbin Carroll, Futurist. That's a nice one. Blaze Jordan. That was the big hit, the big chase. I remember for this year, the Blaze Jordan, Jordan Adams, Luciano, Austin Hendrick, and James Beard. So we got a Blaze Jordan first. I think these are probably selling for $20 when they first came out. People are buying base Blaze Jordans for $20. Is he? Yeah, I was gonna say once they get into the minor league and once if they're not in the majors, they're kind of die down till they come back up. So it's a good time to buy. Alex Kirilloff, Jose Garcia, Jimenez, Dylan Carlson, if you believe in him. It's a good time to buy at least. Shea Langoliers, number 72, Dylan Dingler, and Seth Beer, Gabriel Arias, Brandon Schwamecki, Jordan Groshans. Yeah, I'm sure with the hype he had, I'll probably move up fairly quick. Alright, we got an Atomic, I believe that is. So let's just save it. We'll do the last. I believe that was an Atomic. Torrey Skubal, best pitcher in the MLB. Clark Schmidt, McKenzie, Ian Anderson. Good old Christian Pache. He was one of the big rookies coming up, and then nothing really happened. Colton Welker, Julio, Chrome base, Zach Bean, JJ Bleday, Brett Beatty. I'm gonna sleeve up my boy Tariq. So he's the best pitcher in the MLB. Alright, Miggy, Max Kepler, Torres, Snell, Darvish. Let's go to the back. Gunnar Henderson in the home run derby this year. Nolan Jones, O'Neal Cruz, and our last card is Diaz. Yusniel Diaz. Atomic, or I believe these are Atomic. Not numbered, but this one for the Orioles to end it off. So we'll do a little recap here. Check out what we got. Find out the lowest number card and call it a night. Diaz, Atomic, Skubal rookie, plays Jordan first. Alec Baum rookie. Alec Baum rookie of the year favorites. O'Neal Cruz, number 66. Corbin Carroll, top 100. Baum, 91 Bowman. Bobby Witt, 91 Bowman. And then our numbered card, we pulled all these right in the first couple packs. Peguero to 499. Ramirez, number 95 of 125. Mick Abel, number 46 of 250. And Marco Luciano, number 39 of 50. Lowest numbered card, San Francisco Giants. Like Nick showed there, pretty nice pull. 2,000 packs. There we go.